Hello everyone. So from today we will start a new topic, analytic functions. Okay? And the outlines of this chapter will include basic definitions, limits, continuity, differentiability, analytic functions, Cauchy-Riemann equations, then harmonic functions, conjugate harmonic functions, properties of analytic functions, construction of analytic functions, and Milne theorem method. Okay? So let us start with the basic concept of analytic functions. So now the representation of z, we already did this, that z equal to x plus iy can be represented into real and imaginary parts. Okay, so this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. We already did this in the previous lecture. Now w equal to f of z, if it is given, then it can also be represented as w equal to u x comma y plus iv x comma y, where I means it is the imaginary part and this is the real part. So in any example, function will be given and you have to find the real part and imaginary part. Let us see the example. Example 1. Write the function f of z equal to z square plus 2 plus I in the form u plus iv. આવી રીતના ક્વેશ્ચન આપેલો હશે કે f of z આપેલું હશે અને એના ઉપરથી u plus iv ફોર્મ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, so now putting z equal to x plus iy. So here in the given function you have to put z equal to x plus iy. Then only you can find the real and the imaginary part. Okay, so now put z equal to x plus iy in this equation. So we get x plus iy whole square plus 2 plus I. Okay, and now applying the formula of a plus b whole square, that is x square minus y square plus 2ixy plus 2 plus I. Okay, now what we have to do? We want u plus iv form. Okay, so as we want u plus iv form, this will be our real part will be u and imaginary part will be with the I term. Okay, so as we have to find u and v, so this is our u and this is our v. Okay, so in this way you have to find u plus iv form. Okay, example 2. Find the values of real function f of z and imaginary function f of z at the indicated point where f of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus z at 7 plus 2i. Now we have to find real part of f of z and imaginary part of f of z. We have to find this both the terms and at this point. Okay, now you should know the formula of real part of z and imaginary part of z. Okay, so formula of real part of z is z plus z conjugate by 2 and formula of imaginary part of z is z minus z conjugate by 2i. So here in place of z, અહીંયા શું આપેલું છે? f of z. So our formula will be f of z plus f of z conjugate by 2. Okay, so now f of z is given, so we will put this value here, then we will get real part. Okay, so 1 by 2, f of z is 1 by 1 minus z plus, here it is f conjugate. So what will be our conjugate? 1 by 1 minus z conjugate. And now if you cross multiply and take LCM, then you will get this term. Okay, and now if I take minus sign common from here, then I can write z minus z conjugate equal to minus z plus z conjugate. આ જે ટર્મ છે એને આવી રીતના લખી શકીએ, minus z plus z conjugate. Okay, so here I have written that term. Similarly in the denominator part also I can write minus z plus z conjugate, and you all know this formula which we already did in the introduction part of the complex variable, you know this formula that z into z conjugate is always equal to mod of z square. Okay, so અહીંયા જે z into z conjugate છે એની જગ્યાએ આપણે mod z square લખી શકીએ. So here in place of this I have written this mod z square. Okay, so now you should know that z plus z conjugate is equal to 2 real part of z and z minus z conjugate is equal to 2i into imaginary part of z. Okay, so આપણે આ ઇક્વેશન જે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું એમાં આપણી પાસે શું છે, z plus z conjugate છે. So here in place of z plus z conjugate I can write that is 2 real part of z. Okay, z plus z conjugate ની જગ્યાએ આપણે 2 real part of z લખી શકીએ according to this formula. So I will write here 2 minus 2 real part of z. Similarly in the denominator part જ્યાં z plus z conjugate છે ત્યાં શું લખશું, 2 real part of z. So 1 minus 2 real part of z plus mod of z square. But now what is told that we have to find at point 7 plus 2i. So at 7 plus 2i it means that we have to put this value in this equation, then only we can find at that point. Okay, so our real part in this equation is 7. So here in place of real part we will put 7. So 2 minus 2 into real part, that is 7, by 1 minus 2 into again real part, that is 7, plus 53. But how we got this 53? That is, we took the mod of z. Okay, formula of mod of z is under root a square plus b square. So our a is 7 and b is 49, and here our a is 7 and b is 2 because it is the form of a plus bi. Okay, so under root a square plus b square means 7 whole square plus here 2 will be there because our b is 2, so 2 square. Then we will get under root 53, but we have to find mod of z square, so answer will be only 53. So here in this way we got 53. Okay, so answer of real part of f of z is this. Okay, now we have to find imaginary part of f of z. Okay, now again here as we have to find the imaginary part, we will apply the formula of imaginary term, that is z minus z conjugate by 2i. Okay, so f of z minus f of z conjugate by 2i. Again cross multiplying it, you will get this term. This minus 1 and this 1 will get cancelled. So we will get this term. 1 by 2i z minus z conjugate by 1 minus z conjugate plus z into z conjugate. Again here in place of this I can write mod z square. Okay, so now again at point 7 plus 2i we have to find imaginary part also at 7 plus 2i only. Okay, so I will put this value, and again the value of z minus z conjugate છે એની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખી શકીએ, 2i imaginary part of z. So here in the numerator part જે z minus z conjugate છે એની જગ્યાએ શું લખવાનું, 2i imaginary part of z. અને આમાંથી માઇનસ કોમન લઈએ તો અગેન here it will be z plus z conjugate. પણ z plus z conjugate again શું થાય, 2 real part of z. So આની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખશું, 2 real part of z. Okay, and z into z conjugate is mod z square. Now we will substitute value 7 plus 2i. 2i into imaginary part of z. What is our imaginary part? 2. So 2i into 2 upon 1 minus 2 into real part of z. What is our real part? 7. So here we will get 7 plus mod z square that we calculated earlier. So we got 53. So solving this further, we will get 1 by 20. So imaginary part of f of z will be 1 by 20 and real part of f of z we already find it. Okay. So example 3. Find real and imaginary parts of f of z, z square plus 3z. Again, this is a very simple example. You just have to find real and imaginary part of the given function. So f of z is z square plus 3z. Again, if we compare it with this we know that value of z is x plus iy. And as we want to find real and imaginary part, જ્યારે પણ રિયલ અને ઇમેજનરી પાર્ટ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હોય ત્યારે z ની જગ્યાએ x plus iy પુટ કરવું પડે તો જ તે આપણને રિયલ અને ઇમેજનરી પાર્ટ મળશે. So here in place of z I will put x plus iy. Okay, so x plus iy whole square plus 3 into x plus iy. And solving it further, we will get this term, and from that we will get this real part and this imaginary part. So we can say that real part of f of z is equal to x square minus y square plus 3z and imaginary part is equal to 2xy plus 3y. Okay. So next example, example 4. Write the function f of z equal to z plus 1 by z in the form f of z equal to u r comma theta plus I v r comma theta. હવે જ્યારે પણ theta આપેલું હોય, it means કે we have to convert equation into the polar form. Okay, આપણને અહીંયા શું આપેલું છે? Theta. So we have to convert this given function into polar form. And in order to convert it into polar form, we have to put z equal to r e raised to I theta. Okay? જ્યારે x અને y ના ફોર્મમાં આપેલું હોય ત્યારે આપણે z શું લઈએ છીએ? x plus iy. But here we have to convert it into the theta form, so we will take z equal to r e raised to I theta. Okay, so we got value of z, but we also want the value of 1 by z. So 1 by z is equal to 1 by r e raised to I theta. So that is equal to 1 by r e raised to minus I theta. So we got the value of z and 1 by z. Now we will put both this value in this given equation. Okay. So z plus 1 by z. What is the value of z? R e raised to I theta. That we have to put here. And what is the value of 1 by z? 1 by r e raised to minus I theta. Okay. Now you all know that value of e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. And value of e raised to minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. So here you have to substitute value of e raised to I theta, and here you have to substitute value of e raised to minus I theta. Okay? And now if we take imaginary part and real part, then our real part will be r plus 1 by r into cos theta. This is our real part. And this is our imaginary part, that is r minus 1 by r sin theta. So this is our imaginary part. But we have to find this form, that is u r comma theta plus iv r comma theta. So we got this form u r comma theta plus iv r comma theta. Okay, so this is the final answer. So now example 5. If w equal to f of z equal to 2iz plus 6z conjugate, then find u and v and also find the value of f at z equal to 1 by 2 plus 4i. Okay? What is given? Function is given and you have to find u and v. Means you have to find real and imaginary part. And it is in the terms of x and y. So we will again take z equal to x plus iy. Okay? In this equation. So we will get, this is the given function, and here in place of z we will put x plus iy. So we will get this term, and solving it further we will get this term. Again u plus iv form. From this we can get u plus iv form. U is the real part and v is the imaginary part. So what is our real part? 6x minus 2y, and imaginary part is 2x minus 6y. Okay, so u is this term and v is 2x minus 6y. Now what is told that you have to find at point 1 by 2 plus 4i. Okay, so it is given z equal to 1 by 2 plus 4i. So in this equation, in place of z you have to put this value and then find the value. Okay, so in this equation 2iz plus 6z conjugate, this is the given function. આ જે ફંક્શન આપેલું છે એમાં આપણને શું કીધું છે કે z ની વેલ્યુ 1 by 2 plus 4i પુટ કરવાની છે. So here in place of z I have to write this value 1 by 2 plus 4i, and its conjugate will be 1 by 2 minus 4i. Okay, and solving it further we will get I plus 8i square plus 3 minus 24i. But again value of I square is minus 1. So we will get I minus 8 plus 3 minus 24i, and that is equal to minus 5 minus 21i. So this is the final function f of z which we got whenever we put this value. Okay, so f of z will be minus 5 minus 21i. So now example 6. Write the function f of z equal to z square minus z plus 2 in the polar form. You have to write the given function. You have to write this function in the polar form. What is the meaning of polar form? Polar form means you have to write in the form of theta. Okay, so writing it in the form of theta, we have to write we have to bring this form, that is u r comma theta plus iv r comma theta. ઓકે, અને જ્યારે પણ આપણે પોલાર ફોર્મમાં લાવવું હોય ત્યારે આપણે z શું લઈએ છીએ? r e raised to I theta. Okay, so here in this equation you have to put the value of z r e raised to I theta. So putting the value we will get r square into e raised to I2 theta minus r e raised to I theta plus 2. Okay, but we again know that value of I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, but theta અહીંયા શું આપેલું છે? 2 theta. So we will get cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta minus r into again e raised to I theta શું આપેલું છે? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so again we have to we know this value, we have to put here plus 2, and solving it further we will get real part and imaginary part. So we will get u r comma theta. U r comma theta is real part and theta r comma theta is imaginary part. So we get u r comma theta and theta r comma theta. Okay, so in this way you just have to find the real and imaginary part. It will be either in the x and y form or in the polar form, that is in u r and theta form. So last example, separate real and imaginary parts of f of z equal to z square. Again we have to find real and imaginary part. So again in the place of z you have to put x plus iy. So because z is equal to x plus iy, we get x plus iy whole square. So solving it further we get x square minus y square plus 2ixy. So from this we can say that our real part is x square minus y square and imaginary part is 2xy. So in this way these examples are very simple. You just have to find the real and the imaginary part or u plus iv form. Okay, so do practice such type of examples at your home. Very simple examples are there. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you all liked my video lecture. Thank you.